This is episode 5 of Loops, yeah. And I want to introduce you to my little cousin. What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Victor.
Say hi, Victor.
Hi, Victor.
Okay. So you have met my little nephew, and told you we'd be doing videos over here pretty soon. Yeah. I don't really have nothing to do funny. So yeah.